Good afternoon, everyone. This is James coming from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks and investing in dividend stocks for weekly and monthly cash flow. Today's Friday, November 3rd, 2017. It's 3:37. It's a little bit before the close of business today, and options are going to be expiring this afternoon. Actually, they expire tomorrow morning, but can't do very much tomorrow, so today's a day where we actually do something about our options. So let's jump in and see what's happening. Alrighty. We got three positions here. BK, which is Bank, Melon, something like that. And we have a down day today. See that? Anyway, BK starts out the year at the low of the year at 42.98. Quickly jumps up to a trading range of 47. A little bit of a dip back down to the 43 area, but right back down to the 47 again. She trades on the 47 area for about 8 or 9 months, and then she jumps up, stair steps up. Look at that. Stair steps up to 52. And she just so happens to have a down day at 51.27 today. And where are we with BK? We sold the option for 52, but it doesn't look like it's going to hit 52 by the end of the day because it's at 51.29, so it's quite a bit out there. She did have a high of 51.50. It's still too far away to hit that 52. So it looks like she's going to expire worthless tomorrow. Lovely. Then we'll have BK again tomorrow, Monday morning. So much for that. Lows. Let's check out Lows. 77.92. Lows starts out at the low of the year at 66. Slowly gets up to a trading range of 73. Then jumps up to 81. Makes a high of the year, 86.25. Drops back down in the 77 area. And she seems to settle in at the 77.88 area where she is right at this moment in time. Okay, so we have Lows at 80. Yeah, she had a big drop yesterday, so that's going to expire worthless, and we're going to end up owning Lows again. But Lows, we actually collected the dividend on that. All right, not the greatest thing in the world. Actually, we collected dividends on all three of these. PFE, which is Pfizer. PFE, la 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 la, 35.50. Seems like we'll be out of PFE. PFE, or better known as Pfizer, started out at the low of the year, 29.95. Jumps to a trading range of 32. Trades there for about 4 months, then jumps up to 33 for about 8 months. And then for the last 2 months, she's been at 35, which is where she is now. And we sold the covered call for Pfizer at 35.5. And we're 2 cents into that one. So that one looks like she is going to expire worthless. All right, so we'll actually be out of Pfizer, and we'll only be carrying in BK, which is Bank, Melon, and Lows into the next week. So let's jump and take a look at the other account, which is strictly dividend capturing, not dividends on steroids. Sorry about that. We got 4 positions there. You up, you down, you up, you down. That's what we're looking at on this one. Clorox, CLX. Clorox starts the year at the low, which is 111. Trades there for about a month and a half, jumps up to 120 for about a month and a half, and then shoots on up to 135. And trades at 135 for about 8 months. 8 months. Drops down to the 129, 128 area where she is now. Now we got Clorox at 131, and we bought Clorox about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so we should be collecting dividends on this one very shortly. La ti da. All right, we're at 128 with Clorox. And what do we have one Clorox at? 131. Yeah, it's 131 for Clorox. Yeah, we're looking at 134. Well, anyway, might or might not get there. Who knows? All right, that's Clorox. Lowe's, we know that Lowe's took a dump because that one we were looking at a few minutes ago. And as you can see, Lowe's is at 77.95, and we have Lowe's at 81.75. Imagine that. All right, well, we're looking for a target of 83.30. That's going to be a long way off. So it looks like we're going to be collecting dividends on Clorox and Lowe's. Macy's is our big loser of the year. Macy's started out a year ago at 37, quickly found the high at 45, dropped down to a trading range of 30, traded at 30 for 4 or 5 months, and stair-stepping its way to oblivion. 22 for about 3 months, 21 for about 3 months. Now, she's at 18. How can she be 18? Macy's is a 100-year-old company. We got Macy's at 33. We're looking at close to a 60 or 70% increase before we even do anything with Macy's. Wow. All right, so Macy's is our big loser. SKT, what are we looking at? Tanger. SKT starts out at 33.50. Trades about 4 months in the 33, 34 area, drops down to 32 for about 2 months, and then sinks to 26 for 3 months, and 24 for 3 months, and now she's at a week and a half, looks like 2 weeks of down. I can't think of anything else than downness. I like that word, downness. May not even be a word. Anyway, she was at 25 2 weeks ago. Now she's at 22.49. SKT, we're at $12,000 in the hole with SKT. We got that one at 32.88, and we're looking at 32.90. That's a $10 increase, which is just about a 50% increase to be breaking even. It has to go up 50% in order to break even. It's not as bad as Macy's. Macy's got to go up like 75% to break even with that one. Can you believe it? Anyway, that's dividends and steroids, and you know, doesn't always work out favorably, but we collected dividends on Macy's and SKT for 3 dividends we collected on those. Clorox and Lowe's, we'll be collecting a dividend, I think today or tomorrow. Excuse me. Collecting dividends on those, and then we're just moving forward. That being said, see if we have any questions. No questions. All right, not letting me answer my question. Nope, apparently not. Anyway, this is James. It's 4:45. We got 15 minutes till the stock market opens, and not having a lot to brag about today. You know, we're still up 67% on the options, and we're about breaking even. On the dividends on steroids. That being said, not much to brag about today. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Let's take a look at what do we have for options for next week. Okay, we're going to be out of PFE. Uh-oh, she's going to hang on to that 1 cent. Uh-oh. Half a cent. Really? You can't give me that 35.50. 35.51. There you go. So anyway, we got 13 minutes left. See what she looks like. You never know. But BK and Lowe's will be doing covered calls on those again next week. All that being said, this is James checking out from Dividend Stock Talk. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.